Okay, here we have Wolfman, when we used to go visit Lincoln, New Hampshire. My husband loved Wolfman. Here's Dad and the boys when my husband had long hair. Yep. And he had the Lincoln car. Was that the Lincoln? Yeah. Here's the boys. Oops. There we go. He was born, if you can see, a little bit with a stork spite on his forehead. Or an angel's kiss is what I've also heard it's called. There's Dad and his sons. Dad and the boys. And we're missing one. Very happy to have their dad. Their dad was everything to them.